Once the company is registered in US, you want to get your EIN from IRS. How to get it stress-free and with someone who can do this job for you. That's what this video is all about. Before we get into the video, I'd like to mention that I've partnered with products and service provider to bring you tools and resources that can help you achieve your goal in this video. The link in the description is an affiliate link, and by using it, you will be supporting this channel at no additional cost to you. This helps me continuing creating valuable content for you. By clicking that link, you will come to this website and you see here, manage your company. Come down here, you have this IRS file. Once you click here, EIN tax ID, come here and click here. Once you come to this page, click on order now. Here you will detail like first name, last name, email and your mobile number. So this EIN obtainment fee is $70, which you can see here. When you are not in US, it becomes a little challenging because this EIN you have to get with IRS and you will not be able to directly get in touch with them as you will be outside and you will have to pay hefty fee for ISD call. If you're within US, the process is much simpler. You can just call up the IRS, give them the details while the form is filled and it gets done immediately almost. So when you're outside of US, you need to fill in the SS4 form. I have made a video on how that can be filled. I'll leave the link below. And once that is done, the challenge becomes connecting with IRS. And that's where when you have services like this, it becomes much easier because somebody else is getting this done for you who has presence in US. Once you fill in your detail, that is your first name, last name, email ID and phone number, you come down here, you will select the company type from this entity. So I'm selecting LLC, and where the state formation was, you select that. Then you enter the company name and the designator. So in my case, I'm showing LLC and the company name. Once you select, you will be able to check the name here as it is in your certificate. And then you enter the date of formation. So once the date of formation is done, come down, you will give the company address, and here once the address is entered, come down, here you'll have to answer this question for SS4. SS4 is for someone who is not in US, and to get the EIN, you need to fill up this form. I'm clicking on use contact name. Once I click that, the name comes up like this. Let's come down. I am a foreign individual and do not have social security number. So once you click yes, you have to confirm this part. I agree. So you can read this, select how many members. You have to select the member for the company and then physical street address, which has to be a US address. I made a separate video in case you don't have a street address, how you can get that. Once you select the address, I'm selecting use company address, come down and click next. So we come to the billing information page. Here you see the reviews, what people have shared, a recent one, and you get to see the order summary, how much it is going to cost. Just with your credit card, you can enter the credit card information, billing address, all those stuff. And once we come down here, you do I agree and complete and pay. Once the payment is done, this company will initiate for the EIN and the SS4 form will be shared with you. I made a video on how to fill that form. You can go and check that out. And once the form is filled and given to them, they will get rest of the things done for you and you will get the EIN which they will inform to you subsequently. So friends, that's it. This is one of the easiest way to go about if you are not in US or you don't have time to follow up, get the EIN up and ready to start with your business. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like, share, comment and check out other video too. Thank you.